Hola, my name is Fatima, and today I'm going to talk about my last vacation. It will explain what it felt, and how those experiences can influence my profession, like future international relations federation. During my last vacation, and to blast with my family and friends. We were but was observing the landscape and thinking about what every place has its own culture and history. On the first day, we visited several interesting places. While I was walking down the street, Salman Lapin from different countries, and reminded me of the importance of understanding of the cultures in international relations. On one morning, Willie was having breakfast at a local cafe. Here, tourists speak different languages and moments are curious and try to identify what language they were speaking to experience motive and okay improvising. My language with with are essential in my career. Another that met a tour with Water International projects with he was the lead. My work is experiencing it was taking mental notice because very young and science made very useful for my for professional future. In teatro, explore museo historical places was reading about important events. It told about what history influenced la relationship between country together. Overall, enjoyed my vacation very much, but it was real valuable things where it was offered young interacting with people from different backgrounds.